This is the hygger Aquarium Wave Maker. Hygger, whatever it is. The glass thickness is 4 to 10 millimeters. This is a 62-gallon Lagoon AIO, and it holds on just fine. Now, I do have another hygger, whatever, wave maker below it. That one pushes too much, and that's the 25-watt one. It's pushing too much, more than what I want. I would rather have had 2 of these, one at one end, one at the other, than have too much flow with the other one, the below one. This one I like much better. I should have bought 2 of these for the price of one of those. As you can see, it's enough wave flow on the top. I want more of the top action than below. And honestly, I would buy it again.
Doing a quick review on the hygger wave makers, the HG 021. Need my glasses on. A little disappointed. I really love hygger stuff. I love their heaters. Probably the best heaters I have ever owned, honestly. But I'm not so impressed with the wave maker. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but it's about 10 feet away. And they are really loud. So I've got it just kind of testing here. Thought maybe if I turned it on, let them run for a little bit, it'd quiet up, but it's not. I purchased another brand off Amazon. They were, I think, 17 bucks or so. And they're silent. So either there's something wrong with the 3 of these I got, or they're just loud. So I don't like loud. So I'm sending them back. I'm sorry, hygger. But you gotta get your noise down in these babies.
Contract stipulates no less than 7 times over the course of the episode. There you go. It's out of character. People are gonna get angry when you turn off the show. This is from a way more popular show.